points that we wanted. Didn't, we had a game plan which we didn't live up to. And credit to the other team to take the game to us, and they did a really good job of keeping a clean sheet, and they moved the ball better than us, and that was it.
Okay, now I'll open the floor to the press.
Again, I think I can make 100 excuses, but there's no real excuse of not scoring the goals. I think we had a few chances, we had one-on-one situations which we didn't take, but unfortunately that's the way football is sometimes. It's a new team. I think there's about 8-9 players who are new on the team, so it will take some time. But I think for this competition, it's pretty much it's a trial and error basis. So we have to try different things and do experiments and see if something works. And unfortunately, it didn't work today.
Coach, just a normal question. Watching from the stands, the digital screen boards are sometimes distracting. Will it affect the players during transition now?
No, I don't think so. I think it's that's part of the game. I think it happens at the highest level, so I don't think it's distracting for the players. I think it's just it's something that it happens everywhere.
How are the players coping with weather?
Yeah, the weather is a little. We're getting affected by the weather a little bit, but again, I would say, football is played. It's good weather. It's not like it's bad weather. There was no wind. It was nice and just chilly. That's it. And I think players should be able to play in this weather without any problem. The pitch was fantastic as well, so there's nothing wrong with the field. I think mentally we were a little, because we wanted the 3 points very badly, and I think that played on us rather than the other way around.
On paper, your players were really good individually because all of them has played their most of them has played their respective national teams, and even in the club level they have done pretty well. But while coming into this competition, what do you think about the team combination between and among the players?
Yeah, I think that's the most important part. I think there was no team combination because we didn't get time to work together. If prior to this tournament we had a camp or like 10-day, 15-day camp, then I think it would have been a lot better. But we arrived here on the 3rd or 2nd, whatever it was, and we only had one training session before that, so everybody gets to know each other. It takes a little bit of time, but I think most importantly, it's good exposure for our players and our team. It's the tournament itself is very good opportunity for the players to showcase what they have. But yeah, you're right. Absolutely, the combination play and between the team is not there at the moment. Yeah.
So 2 more games.
East Bengal and even the Nepal team, they both are very, very good teams. They play regular football. They have a league that they play in. East Bengal has been playing the Champions League as well. So of course they're a much superior team. But again, on the night, you never know what can happen. So we will try our best to give whatever we can and try to get something out of those games. But yeah, again, those teams are very, very strong teams, and we'll just have to take it game by game. So now this game is over, we start thinking about the next one, and we see what we can do.